How to modify stickers in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different stickers in the game. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this box-like icon. Tap on this box-like icon and here select personalization. So this is the place where you can personalize and change different methods. Here on the bottom, tap on stickers and here you can customize and modify the stickers however you like. Tap on modify and here you can add these buttons into different places also. So these are the stickers or type of emotes that you can use inside the game in order to tease enemies and in order to have fun. So you can even obtain different by buying them and obtaining through different events. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.